If your computer is randomly crashing, this tutorial is for you. Whether you're using an old computer, Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 7, this tutorial will be very helpful if you watch the whole video. And it's not a very long video, it's a hardly 3-minute video. So here in the start icon, just do a right click on the start icon and then go to Task Manager. And then go to Performance tab and look how much CPU and how much disk and memory is getting used. If you see the memory, the random access memory, the RAM, if it's higher, if the CPU is high, disk is high, then you need to fix all those one by one. Now, what I would recommend to go to the startup apps as well. In Windows 10, you will find at the top. In Windows 11, you will find at the left hand side. So go to the startup tab and disable all unwanted applications which you do not need at the startup. All right. So let's say I can use Skype anytime I want. However, I do not want it at the startup app. So you can simply do a right click and you can disable it. So do the same steps with all unwanted applications, and please make sure that you do not disable any audio, security, graphics, or anything which is related to your Wi-Fi. All right, so be careful about it. And once you are done, go to the search icon and type add or remove programs. Now here also you need to uninstall any unwanted application is there in your computer. And guys, if you're using a old computer, not very much high specs, I would recommend to uninstall Google Chrome. All right, because Google Chrome is a memory hogger, and if you have 4 gigabytes of RAM and you're using Google Chrome, I would not recommend to do that. Use any light browser and use Edge, that will be fine, but do not use Google Chrome if you have a low-end PC. All right, and the last thing which you need to do is to fix if there is any corruption in your computer. So you have done, you have uninstalled and disabled the startup apps, and now you need to click on the search icon, type CMD and run as administrator, and then click on yes and type SFC. It's very easy. SFC space / scan now, like this. I'll just maximize it. Please pardon me the spelling. It's scan now. SFC space / scan now. All right. Type exactly the same as I did and hit enter. This will begin the system scan. Once the scan is done, restart the computer, and do let me know in the comment section if you have successfully fixed the random crashing issues in your computer. All right. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Please do leave a comment and please let me know if this tutorial is helpful or not. Okay? Have a wonderful day. Take care.